Meaning of inexcusably.
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 Inexcusably. The word inexcusably means that something is without justification or excuse, and therefore considered unjustifiable. It implies that the act or behavior was completely unacceptable and cannot be defended or explained. When a situation or action is described as inexcusable, it conveys a sense of strong disapproval and condemnation. The consequences of an inexcusable act may result in severe penalties, loss of trust, or permanent damage to relationships. In summary, inexcusably denotes a serious lapse in judgment or ethical behavior, which cannot be overlooked or excused under any circumstances.